Yes, Mr. Chair.
Senator Lauren, and then Senator Amy.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Of course, I will support my chair. But I pose the question, if this is so urgent, which I think it is, why did the department, regardless of who is sitting as secretary, did not include it in the initial NEP? First quarter of this year up to June. Assuming they did not think about its necessity then, why did they not present it during plenary debates in the House of Representatives and in the Senate? Assuming they still forgot, why did they not write the letter during the time of the HGAB? Assuming they forgot again, why did they not give it way before the BICAM? Mr. Chair, ito na po ang aking pinupuntos. Hindi lang po ngayon, mula pa nung ako'y nag-chair 10 years ago. Bakit ba tayo mga Pilipino palaging afterthought? Palaging pahabol? Palaging last minute? Kasi hindi naman to bagong proyekto. Naniniwala po ko, at don't get me wrong, I will support it at wala namang karagdagang hinihingi. Pero inaayos lang na yung budget. Hindi ba nila inayos mula nung inisip nila? The good secretary I know has been in the department for a long time. Career yan eh. So, hindi pwedeng masabi dahil bago. Eh, nandyan naman sila. At bago siya, si Sec Vince Dizon. Siguro naman nag-usap sila tungkol sa kanilang NEP. I put that on the table, Mr. Chair, while supporting your motion to adopt it. I'll repeat. Let it be a lesson to those doing their budgets, whether you're a big department or a small bureau or commission. You present it to DBM. You think about it for 1 year. Pagkatapos po ng Kapaskuhan New Year, gagawa na naman sila ng NEP ng 2027, all agencies up to March. Please think. Please plan. Don't come to us in December for something that is so essential and basic. So, it's an afterthought, even if it's urgent and basic. I have to put that on record. Pasensya na po.